Hey people, Demon here, or should I say Captain Neckbeard, and today we are going to eat a blizzard cake from DQ. Now, we have a Reese's Pieces blizzard cake, 2 pieces, not a whole cake, because it was recently my birthday, 27, old as hell, but this is a Reese's Pieces blizzard cake. The best blizzard cake they have, at least to my knowledge. I wish they would have a Smartie one, because the Smartie is the best blizzard. But I don't think they sell Smartie blizzard cakes, at least not to my knowledge. So let's dig in.
Just remind you to subscribe, hit that bell, like, comment, and share this video, Twitter, and Instagram down below.
Only 2 pieces? I already ate most of it. Me and other people, obviously. Pretty damn good. So this is Reese's. One of their blizzard cakes. So it's not, it's an ice cream cake, but it's a blizzard cake. As you can see, it has full-on Reese's chunks in there. Peanut butter and chocolate. Again, not as good as Smartie, but still good. Frosting. I like the way it lingers so it melts a bit. Delicious. Whipped topping. very cold. Mm. 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 Excuse me. Ooh, very cold. But all finished. But man, excuse me again. Delicious. Last bit of cake. Sad to see it go, but so delicious to eat. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification. Best way to keep my channel, my content. Link down below to my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And as always, my friends, stay sane. Peace. Shadow, my baby, I love you so much. You're my baby. And you love to sleep in the bathtub. 'Cause you're a weirdo. Shadow, look over here, buddy. Look over here.